Hi guys, coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. La ngushisha mar. La ngushisha mar. Yeah, so no, it's been a while. Kisa beti ka NASDAQ, and I've been quite on purpose because I was actually waiting for the right time. Because when I do my things, I do them thoroughly. I do them with a plan. I don't just act without a plan. Yeah, so before I officially hand over my resignation, ne, kenyaka hore le understand that there is nothing I cannot do when it comes to the market on its own. Yeah, camera le konompona pila. Yeah. Yeah, you must share your losses. No, you share your losses since you have them. You can't force me to share something I don't have. If you have losses, you can share them, it's fine. But I can't share what I don't have, unfortunately. And not that I don't lose, I do lose, and I do share with FBK students if I happen to lose. But unfortunately, it's a very rare case scenario, because I think in order for me to blow an account, I would rather deposit more money. That is the difference between you and I. Whatever that I deposit, I have more of that. So I can always deposit more. So why must I show losses where else I can always recover? Remember, now we're trading the market, it goes up and down. From the moment it goes against you, it doesn't mean that it won't go in your favor. You understand? So that is why it's very rare for me to have such losses. But otherwise, if whenever you have losses, you can post them on your timeline. You can't force me to post what I don't have. Come on, bro, that's not fair. So you want me to do what? Fake results now, fake losses, and post them just so that I could show you that I'm posting losses? And then what will I gain from proving it to you? Understand? I do lose, don't get me wrong, I do lose. And if I think the last time I lost money was on, wait, I'm checking the calendar, I'll tell you just now. The last time I lost money on the market was on the 18th of March. 18th of March. I think I've lost about 1.2 million somewhere there. 18th of March. And I did send in the groups of people who understand my hustle. I can't show you what will I gain from showing you. So that was the last loss that I've experienced. So besides that, I have nothing to show you, unfortunately. But you never show your failures to your enemies. Lena ke a tseba la lawyer. Le lawyer go sala ka nne selo. Le ba loyo ba holo. But yeah, anyways, yeah, so I'm on NASDAQ now. It's Friday, you know. I'll be closing on this one. Actually, I have nowadays I'm trading so many things, you know, because I can't, when I resign, and I sit down and I say, I've done my part in the industry, there shouldn't be anything that how do I put this? There shouldn't be anything that I don't know of. Yes, I wanted to put it that way. So I should know everything. I should know NASDAQ. I should know US30 just for control. Understand? Just for control. Not that I need to know these things. Now I've been trading currencies all my life, you know, but now I'm just doing this just to remind haters, which is just to remind them that there is nothing that I can put my hands on and not achieve. Everything that I touch, I make sure I achieve only when it comes to trading. Other things in life, I fail. Mjolo, I might fail. Music, I might fail. Other things, other businesses, I might fail. Just not this one. This one, anything that I touch has to be a success. That is my motto. You understand? So you can't really force me to show you failures where else I don't have them, unfortunately. And whatever amount of money I lose on the market, I will always recover it all the time. 10 times more than what I've lost. Anyways, back on the market. So yeah, I've opened this trade a few weeks back, trying to do something, and yeah, it's pretty much doing well. It's nothing, but it's pretty much doing well. Let me switch the camera. Yeah, so I've opened this trade on, when was it? I think it was early April. Yeah, it's been running for about a few weeks now, 3 weeks or so. Don't worry, I've traded all of them. VIX75, US 300, US 500. I will show you all the results. I even traded Bitcoin right on the MT4 just for control. So what I've done is I've deposited small amounts in different accounts, different brokers, as a way of putting down the weapons. I need to know why I resigned. Imagine now I resign, and then after resigning, a small boy comes and says, yeah, so you are saying your coach is the best, but he can't even trade NASDAQ. He can't even trade the VIX75. He can't even trade US 300. I've traded everything. I will show you guys. Give VIX. Yes, VIX. Kazana Zambak. So anyways, today it's about NASDAQ. So now the good part about it is that we will be adding NASDAQ to the FBK course for free. Because that is just a way of me thanking all these traders who have had my back ever since, which is trying to attack me, media and all that, but they've had my back. So FBK students. So I'll be adding a NASDAQ for free on top of their lifetime mentorship. Now remember, whether I resign or not in the foreign exchange world, FBK is a brand. And it's a brand that's gonna be there forever. It's here to stay. Whether I'm there or not, it's here to stay. Whether I'm the CEO or not, it's here to stay. So I'll be adding NASDAQ for FBK students. It will come with the new versions of FBK strategies, the 1 minute strategy 2022 vision, modifications 2022 vision, and then I'll also add NASDAQ as part of the existing course for FBK, just so that when the currencies are a bit light, because now remember, we're trading currencies, sometimes we don't have much events, so when the events are quiet, then my people can keep their time busy with NASDAQ. But you need to remember that with NASDAQ and VIX and US 300, US 500, whatever the case it may be, it's not going to be something that's going to happen over a minute. You understand? So this is just for control. This is not my style of trading, just so you should know. If you have been following me for too long, you should know my style of trading. You know that better trading, no so. After 15 minutes, 2 hours, I'm sitting on 10 times the profit. So this is just me taking charge, just in J for control. So anyways, on this account, I've deposited 1,500. And then let me show you guys the profits. Sorry, I'm going to be closing the trades, and then I'll be processing a withdrawal just after the trades, just for control. Understand? I'm just showing you guys, but I'm not going to close the trades on the live video because I still need to record a video for FBK students so that they can get motivated and all that, because not everybody is actually following me on social media, right? So this one, I'm just doing it for the haters, for the witches. I'm just showing the witches just for control. So yeah, this is the account. I've actually deposited 1,500 rand, obviously got a credit bonus on top of that. So from 1,500 to 30 something thousand rand. So with this, I could actually buy a new cell phone. I could actually buy a ring and get married tomorrow. No, but a ring that's worth 35,000, it's not expensive. Okay, I'll see what I need to do with this. But yeah, or rather I will add it on top of my e-wallet budget that I'm already giving to people who follow my music career, just for control. So this is, I want you guys to understand something. This is not my field. NASDAQ is not my field. US 300, US 500, whatever, whether the index or those are not my things. I'm just trading them for authority. Just for authority. You can even see the amount of money that I deposit. You understand? It's not my field. Now I trade currencies one way. So this is just to put control. So that if anybody comes forward and says, hey, Mara, at least your coach can't trade NASDAQ like me. What is this? From 1,500 to this. I'm just playing. This is not a trade. I'm just playing. And I get demo. So now you want me to prove it to you now? You want me to prove it to you now? Yeah? Blelang. You want me to prove it to you? This is the same trade, actually. Yeah, this is the same trade that I have on my device. I'm just trading it on the laptop as well. Oh fuck, the phone is blurry. The camera is a bit blurry, but it's fine. You can see it clearly on the phone. So now, is it a real account? Let us see. Let me show you. It's fine. Where in this world have you seen a demo account which gives you a deposit bonus? Where in the world have you seen a demo account which gives you a deposit bonus? Hi, le namara le tlo khwa ka dipele. Anyway, circle la etching demo yak. La ibona again. Are you satisfied? By the way, MetaTrader 4 removed the real tags. In case you didn't know, MetaTrader 4 removed the real tags on most brokers. Not entirely all, but most brokers don't have real tags because we are moving to MetaTrader 5. So as we speak, I'm trading somewhere in secret on MetaTrader 5. Somewhere in secret. Langushish. Laibon again. Laibon again. Are you satisfied now? Lokotovich. I want to see it on the comments. Are you guys satisfied? I've done this on 1,500 and I dropped the account to 200 and something thousand. Just few days back, I've done it before. Now I'm doing it again on a different platform, that is NASDAQ. Something that I trade it for fun. So I'll be adding this to FBK students for free, by the way, just to thank them for the thick and thin. Laibona, I want you guys to confirm. Say it on the comment that we can see. And I know most people actually thought this was HD. I know, because there are rumors on the streets. Most people say it was HD. I know, but bolelang laibona ke or satisfied. Or you want to see my name as well? But you know my surname. You can't follow me and not know my surname. So I'll be processing a withdrawal for this one today. So it's Friday, ne? Yeah, I should get paid on Monday because on weekends, I'm not sure if they're working on weekends, but yeah, somewhere there. Just, yeah. And then I'll buy PlayStation 5 again or a cell phone just for control. Or give it to my son. Language just for control. So I will be showing you guys more videos trading VIX75. Trades are already running. Always understand. My trades are running as we speak. And I'm very, very patient because I do this for fun. 100%. Language. So anyways, it's the same account. Laibonak. It's the same account that's logged in on the computer as we speak. I hope you are satisfied, my people. But otherwise, I'm doing this to inspire you guys. Without you, I'm nothing. So I know. Otherwise, I'll do more videos trading VIX75. You just name them. Whatever you want me to trade, I will do it. I don't mind. Every trade I will deposit 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 max and make more money. Now, the main reason why I'm doing this, I want you guys to understand, is because there is a misconception that's going around in people's heads that in order for you to make money in trading, you need a lot of money. That is bullshit. I'm telling you this now. I've been trading for 5 years. That is bullshit. You don't need a lot of money to make money. Well, understand, you just need consistency. You just need a plan. You just need to know what you're doing. You just need to be a legend in what you do. Langushish, you want me to trade gold as well? I can trade gold, I can trade silver, anything you want me to trade, but only with small accounts, because I'm trying to install it in people's heads that you don't need a lot of money to make money in this game. You just need a plan, consistency. Langushish, because many people think they are not successful because they don't have the 100,000 to deposit in a trading account. I mean, let me give it to you for free right now. Actually, let me switch the camera. Let me give it to you for free right now. You can get 100,000 rent and deposit it in your trading account. But for as long as when it comes to Forex, you are still as childish as you are right now. Childish doesn't necessarily mean you are a child. No. You can be childish when it comes to trading. Your way of thinking when it comes to trading determines your level of maturity when it comes to trading. I mean, you can't have your last 1,000 rands, deposit it now, then blow it tomorrow, and then after cry. That is being childish. You're not a man. Why did you deposit 1,000 if you're not willing to lose 1,000? That is my point. Now, you can deposit 100,000 rands right now, but for as long as you're still childish when it comes to trading, you will not make $1 million. But somebody who's matured can deposit 1,000 rands and make 1 million. I hope you get the difference because of maturity, the level of maturity, how you view the market. How you view the market is very important. This is not lotto. This is not a get quick rich scheme whereby you just go in now and make money just like that. This is a business. This is an investment. You need to treat it like one. And many people don't want to invest their time in knowledge. They want to invest their time in making money. How do you make money without knowledge of making money? How do you expect to make money? You understand? So such information is many people they are very, very childish when it comes to trading Forex. And then after that, then they go around bad-mouthing people. They go around bad-mouthing brokers for nothing on top of that. I mean, you can't blame... Brokers can manipulate you, yes, that is true. But you can't blame a broker just because you don't know what you're doing. I've seen so many people say, Coach, they manipulated me. I'm like, okay, where's your proof? Pan Sandela, the screenshot video. I'm like, yeah, I had $200 and I opened my trade with lot size 5. And then after the trade just disappeared, the broker manipulated me. And I'm like, Chief, how young are you? Or how old are you not to know these things? Don't you know that they spread? Don't you know that the higher the lot size, the higher the risk? How do you blame a broker for such actions? It's your decision. You made that decision. So many traders in the country blame brokers for... It's like what's happening now with God and Satan. Some people naturally they are evil, but they always blame it on Satan. If you get what I mean. Sometimes Satan is not good, yes, I know, but you can't always pin everything on him. So it's same goes to trading. Brokers might not be good, yes, but sometimes it's you who's the loser. You are the loser. the broker has no problem. There are incidents whereby the broker can manipulate you. Yes, that is true. But in most cases, you guys, 90% of you guys don't need manipulations. Brokers already know that you are going to lose because of the way you think. Your level of maturity is very low. You are a child when it comes to this thing. So brokers ke sathane mara le sa for bremand broker for nothing sometimes. Lena self ale khono trader. Just agree, admit that you know what, hey, now it's a khono trade. Let me learn. There's nothing wrong. You can always learn. Naturally, some people are born to be witches. From the moment you're born at the hospital, other kids were crying. Kids like me saying, wah, 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 wah. And then when you were born, you were just quiet. You just came to earth for the first time. You're not even crying. You're already observing. That is witchcraft. So some people were born being witches naturally. I don't know where that comes from, but they were born being witches natural. So you can't always do bad things and blame Satan instead of you taking responsibility. Satan is bad, yes, but you need to take responsibility. They were born evil. There is nothing good that they can do. Langushish. So even in trading, it's like that. Before you could blame your mentor, before you could blame your broker, sit down and observe yourself. Are you a good trader? Yes or no? Are you a good trader? Yes or no? It's that simple. Langushish. I hope you got my point. Now you know I'm an inspiration. I'm here to inspire no matter what. I'm here to inspire no matter what. So anyways, I'll be closing the trades. I'll just be doing a short video for FBK students so they could get inspired. So they should expect this on their 2022 versions of the FBK strategies. I'm gonna be the one recording them before doing anything else. So yeah, so I should motivate them so that they are theoretically matured. You know, theoretically matured. I want you guys to be strong emotionally, because let's be honest, anybody can open a trading account, anybody can press buy or sell at any time, but there's less people who actually know what they are doing. Very less. Otherwise, my people, and yeah, let me just show the trades one more time. So yeah, this is a NASDAQ deposit of 1,500 plus credit to a profit of about 30 something grand. You know, wangushish. So I'll be doing more videos trading VIX 75, US 30, US 500. It's just a matter of recording, but trust me, I have all the trades are running. And then every time I blow an account with those things, I just redeposit again. It's not a problem. I have the money to deposit. I don't need anybody to borrow me anything. Then I continue, you know. So what I'm trying to teach you is that this is not simple for me as well as I make it to look like. It's fucking difficult, man. But no matter what, I've told myself that I won't stop going no matter what. Otherwise, thank you Bilo, thank you Mali. Your boy DJ Coach once again on NASDAQ. Because he can't trade NASDAQ anymore. It was just the momentum. Okay, sharp. Yeah, so otherwise, thank you guys, and living sharp again. Thank you. Yeah, to process a withdrawal. I'll process a withdrawal today. I think today, and then I should get paid next week Monday, if I'm not mistaken, because it's Friday today. So I'll show you guys the withdrawals and everything, you know, for inspiration purposes. I'm not showing to prove to anybody. If you inspire upcoming traders who always looked up to me from day one. Otherwise, thank you guys for not being too jealous all the time. Thank you. Tata.